We are in Georgetown Loop Rail Road. This is the start of the run for this particular group. So what they do is they back up. It's actually under the bridge that they're famous for. They back up and then they build up speed to go up this grade and around. He's going pretty far down. I think the other day we didn't see him go that far down. There's a raging river going here. Okay, here he goes. He's going to build up speed. Okay, in the next video I'm going to have him going up the grade here and across the bridge.